Brush, face forward. 1, 2, 3. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down in the wind, washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried him all the way. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Good job. Now we're going to do the 5 little pumpkins.
Pumpkin sitting on the gate.
The first one said,
"Oh my, it's raining late." The second one said, "There were wishes in the air."
The third one said, but
we don't care.
the fourth one said, let's run, let's run. The fifth one said, isn't Halloween fun? Then
Out
went
went
the
the
wind,
wind,
and
and
out
out
went
in
the
the
light,
and
and
5 little pumpkins born out of time.
Yay, cute. And then we bow. Say thank you for listening.